Alright guys, welcome to the Monday Directions video. New week. We're still going to be focusing on Rome. And today we're just going to keep on reviewing kind of that first political alliance when Rome kind of is making that transition from a republic to an empire. You guys saw the notes. You guys kind of saw how it all played out. Obviously some people being killed, some people kind of being slingshotted into like world fame. But we're going to kind of focus on the triumvirate again because it's such an important piece. And I want to make sure you guys have this down because we're going to talk about the second triumvirate tomorrow. So a little CRT action today for you guys that know me. So you have this little handout here. It's just going through each of the people of the first triumvirate. It's going to talk about why the alliance was created in the first place. It's going to talk about how it all ended. But it's just a short 2-page thing. All right, so here's the reading that you're going to use. What your assignment is, though, it's called a CRT. All right, so it's called the critical reading text. Okay, so on you're going to set this up kind of in a Google Doc. You only have to answer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. So if you want to lay out 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on a Google Doc or on a piece of paper or whatever, that's it. And so the first one's the name of the article, and we're just going to call it the first triumvirate reading or first triumvirate fact sheet, anything like that. This one doesn't have a name, so anything you write. The big thing is talking about what's the main point of the article is the first question. 3 important facts that you learned from the article. List 2 questions that you have after reading the article, and then using specific examples. How did the reading tie in? So obviously this one's a little bit easier. You can almost write anything. All right. So that's it. Just read through it and then answer these questions on a Google Doc or a piece of paper, and then just submit them. Pretty simple day today. Just looking a little closer at the triumvirate and the 3 individuals who made it up. And like I said, tomorrow we'll move on. We'll do notes, and it'll be on kind of the second triumvirate. All right, guys. Talk to you later. Have a good day. Text me, or not text me, email me, or if you have any questions, or if you want to have a independent Google Meet, email me and I'll set that up for us as well. All right, have a good day, everybody. Good luck.